Now we discuss some chemical properties of alkenes. Addition of hydrogen. Alkene example ethene, which on reaction with hydrogen in presence of any catalyst nickel, platinum, palladium. Here pi bond is breakdown and hydrogen atoms are added. This one is named reaction Sabatier-Sandens reaction. In this reaction, sp2 hybridized carbon is converted to sp3 hybridized carbon. Next, addition of halogens. To the ethene, if we add fluorine in presence of carbon tetrachloride solvent, fluorine is more reactive, so in addition to that, addition reaction and also substitution also takes place. So it replaces hydrogens, it converted to CF3 because of its high reactivity. Chlorine, bromine, here addition reactions are takes place. In case of bromine, its reddish orange color decolorizes. So decolorization of color of bromine indicates the presence of double bond or triple bond. So it is useful to find the unsaturation. Okay. In case of iodine, addition takes place, but here require any catalyst because of less reactivity of iodine. Next, addition of hydrogen halide. For example, HBr. Hydrogen halide example HBr. Addition of HBr to symmetrical alkene. This symmetrical alkene means double bond both sides, same groups are there. So HBr is added, ethene converted to ethyl bromide. Alkyl halides are formed. Addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene. Addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene means double bond both sides, different groups are present. When HBr is added to its name 1-propene, here two possibilities are there. Br may be attached to CH or CH2. Suppose Br attached to CH2, then 1-bromopropane, CH, then 2-bromopropane. Here 2-bromopropane is major amount is observed. Why this one major amount formed? That is governed by Markovnikov's rule. When a reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, negative part of reagent is added to carbon contain less number of hydrogen atoms. Reason is explained its mechanism. Reason is explained by its mechanism. What is Markovnikov rule? When a reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, negative part of reagent is added to carbon contain less number of hydrogens. Here carbon contain less number of hydrogens to this negative part, that means Br minus is added. So this one is a major product formed. It is discussed in its mechanism. First, step 1, HBr split into H plus Br minus. Now we know that in alkenes electrophilic addition takes place, so H plus is added first. When H plus is added, this pi bond may be shift on CH or CH2 due to electromeric effect. So suppose this pi bond shift on CH, it converted to which carbonium ion? Primary carbonium ion. If this one shift on to CH2, then secondary carbonium ion is formed. Suppose this bond shift on to CH2, H plus attached to CH2, then secondary carbonium ion is formed. We know that secondary carbonium ion is more stable than primary carbonium ion. Because it is a stable, major product is formed. It is explained by stability explained by inductive effect. Secondary carbonium ion is more stable and major amount is formed. We know that stable product is always predominant, major one formed. Because the secondary carbonium ion major, it combined with bromide ion form 2-bromopropane as major product. Because it is minor, 1-bromopropane is minor amount formed. Okay. that is directly given by Markovnikov's rule, and why it is a major amount formed, that is explained by its mechanism. Next, anti-Markovnikov's rule. When HBr is added to unsymmetrical alkene in presence of any peroxide and sunlight, the negative part added to double bond carbon which contain more number of hydrogens. That means reverse to Markovnikov's rule. So it is known as anti-Markovnikov's rule. Here negative part is added to double bonded carbon which contain more number of hydrogens. It is also known as peroxide effect or Kharash effect. Here important point, this one, observed only in HBr. HCl not observed because of its high bond dissociation energy. HCl bond dissociation energy is high. In case of HI, the bond dissociation energy is very less. The formed I radical, it combined with another I radical, it converted to I2 molecule. Because iodine dimerizes, here iodine dimerizes, this reaction is not observed. So only observed in HBr. For example, 1-propene to this HBr is added in presence of sunlight, in the presence of benzyl peroxide. Here reverse, that means 2-bromopropane is minor and 1-bromopropane is major formed. Reverse to the Markovnikov's rule. Why 1-bromopropane is major? That is the reason explained by its mechanism. Similarly, in mechanism we discuss. Step 1. First, peroxide. Suppose we take benzyl peroxide. Its formula C6H5COO twice, 2 times. C6H5COO twice, that is formula. Here peroxide bond, it undergo homolytic fission. You know that homolytic fission means both the bonded atoms get 1 electron during cleavage. So it forms benzoyl peroxide. Again it undergo homolytic fission. It converted to here homolytic fission. Carbon atoms get 1 electron each. Here double bond is formed. So 2 moles of CO2 is removed. Finally it forms phenyl free radical. Now this phenyl free radical react with one of the reactant HBr. Now HBr undergo homolytic fission. Here mass 1 unit, this one is 80 units, so mobility of hydrogen radical is very high. It combined with the phenyl radical, it forms C6H6, benzene is formed. Next, bromine free radical is also formed here. This bromine free radical, it react with the 1-propene now. Now here also 2 possibilities. Here pi bond undergo homolytic fission, Br radical may be attached to CH or CH2, 2 possibilities are there. Suppose Br radical it combine with CH2, then it forms secondary free radical. Suppose Br radical combine with CH, then it form primary free radical. We know that its stability also explained by hyperconjugation. Secondary free radical is more stable than primary free radical. More stable means predominant amount. This one is a major product formed. Secondary free radical major product formed. Primary free radical, this one is a minor product formed. So now these major and minor, these are combined with HBr. Again it undergo homolytic fission. Now this one is lighter particle, it combined with carbon. This one is major, so 1-bromopropane is major formed, 2-bromopropane is minor amount formed. In anti-Markovnikov statement we directly predict 1-bromopropane is major. Why it is formed is explained. Now we discuss in mechanism. Okay, because secondary free radical is major amount formed, so H radical combined with CH radical, 1-bromopropane is major amount formed. Okay, next reaction with H2SO4. For example, 1-propene, it react with H2SO4. It split into ions H plus HSO4 minus. Here we apply Markovnikov's rule. Negative part is attached to carbon which contain less number of hydrogens during breakdown of the pi bond. So HSO4 added to CH, then it converted to H plus added to CH2, then it converted to this group is known as isopropyl. So its name is isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Isopropyl hydrogen sulfate is the product. Next reaction with HOCl. HOCl. More electronegative atom is oxygen. So this bond shift onto the oxygen. Chlorine converted to Cl plus and OH minus. Okay, negative part is attached to carbon which contain less number of hydrogens. So OH is attached to CH, Cl is attached to CH2. This one is formed. Its name is 1-chloro-2-propanol. 1-chloro-2-propanol is the product. So in this way we can add any reagent Hi, HCl or HNO3 or CH3OH, any reagent by splitting into anion and cation, and we follow the Markovnikov's rule for the addition of the any alkene, propene or butene, pentene. So we can take more number of examples. Okay, these are the chemical properties of the alkenes.